I think, I don't know. Maybe our eyes?
Then where's our nose?
I don't think we have one. And we don't have a mouth, so stop talking.
Is that why we gotta text everything out?
Ah! The questions, my head's hurt. No, legit, it's been hurting all day.
What kind of hat should I wear? Keep this in.
Who's been asking you questions all day?
Nobody, it just hurts.
Do I look cute like this? From squirt?
No, you don't.
I don't.
No, you don't.
What should I wear on my head?
Nothing.
It's
like- Yeah, be bald. Wear a knife.
You got a knife.
Wait, I have an idea. Put on the toilet paper.
Bruh. Why? I'm not putting on toilet paper.
Why not?
Because I don't trust you. Probably gonna be like, oh, let me just grab that and use the toilet paper. Am I right?
I don't have hands. I mean fingers.
Hi, booty. Boy, booty.
Who's I? I shall kill you both. Because I'm imposter.
Because if somebody ejects him, it's like, I was not the imposter, or I was the imposter. Someone's like, I told you I was the imposter, or I told you was not the imposter. He just put, I told you as his name, just because so that when he got ejected, it says he did or didn't.
Yo, I is a Yvonne. Everybody should be I. You know why?
Why?
Because it says like, if they try to accuse you, like I am the imposter. You know.
And if they try to accuse you and you're not the imposter, it says I was not the imposter.
We haven't even had a game yet.
Right, GG means good game.
Yeah.
Joanna said she thought it meant gotta go. I was like, that's GTG.
Tree hugger. What the heck?
Somebody
The
needs to be grass
red.
eater.
Red sus. I'm gonna say it.
Somebody needs to be grass eater.
Yo.
Grass eater sister. Grass eater sister.
Dang, is he about to change his whole look? What that mean? Bro.
What the
think
heck?
this is
Don't
good?
bully me. I'm only 6. Get off the game.
Right? We about to say some stuff here. Justin, are you it?
No, I am not.
Why are we so slow?
Because I don't know how to bring up this music.
What the heck? You don't know what sus means? I'm the king thing your kids fear.
Bruh.
Can somebody hold this?
You know what? I'm voting him off.
Who?
I'm voting him
Who
off.
is it?
Tree hugger.
Tree hugger? Yeah, me too. Because this kid is saying that he's like 6, so boy, you gotta be out. I wanted to say hi. Oh my god! I'm done. Purple choose. I'm done. Yo! Oh my god.
Yo, a bunch of people voted him. Did you see that?
Yeah! But I think it was like 2 or more people chose to skip.
Bruh, that is funny.
For real. Someone else needs to skip. I mean, like, just like choose that one out.
Don't worry, it's her. I can make sure this is restaurant probably.
Bro, what the hell? Ron, are you the killer?
Yeah, look how
No.
nice that looks.
It sounds kind of like the stabbing. leave this game, no lie.
What? That's it. Vote off, Sian. I'm done. Vote him off. Vote him off. I'm dead. Blue eyes wailing me. Boy, you out now. I'm done.
Right?
Stop using it. COVID-19 is in here, huh? Purple choose. We're done.
Maybe play your game for a little bit.
God.
Can purple choose? Bruh, everyone chose.
I'm dead. They're like, that's it, get out.
Steve coming off Jocelyn's hair.
We don't care.
Right?
He was just being annoying. Stop
Exactly.
choosing the thing.
He left the
Good.
game. Right? That was so annoying.
For real. Like,
Bruh!
oh my God. What?
This button gets pressed one more time.
I swear to God. It was a green one, right? It was like, Laura, bet I'm choosing you.
If this button gets pressed one more time.
I'm about to go beat them up. About to come to your house and I'm about to be an imposter.
Right?
I hope I'm an imposter next. I can't do it.
I bet people don't even care if they're imposter or not anymore. I think they're just getting mad at how many times they press that button.
For real, it's been like 4 times already.
No.
Wow, a bunch of people voted her off.
Because it's annoying.
For real.
I swear, if one more person pressed this button.
We're just like voting people off now.
Right? Hi, Yvonne.
Hi.
Everybody.
If you want to be... Wait, I gotta go to this way though.
Not that.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Because I mean the imposters are...
I don't know, but I'm going.
Those walls usually come around when they want
I'm gonna kill you.
Here.
Are you proud of us, Yvonne?
No! I'm raging. Let me throw my phone.
That was such a great round.
That was a terrible round.